Okay, even before the tractor rally has officially begun at 12 p.m., there is some commotion taking place at the Singhu border. I want to take you there right now. Images of farmers from Punjab breaking the barricades there. There's a little bit of commotion there. There's a lot of security already, but it looks like things have become a little tense after some barricades have been broken by some farmer groups. Let's go across to Anisha, who's there on the ground in this commotion, and see if we can get a word in from her. Anisha, what's going on?
Well, Shiv, you can see in my visuals around us, the first line of barricades has been broken. Tractors and people have started coming from the Singhu border, from Haryana side towards Delhi. I'm on the Delhi side of the barricading. The first line of barricading has been broken down. I'm going to try and show you there is a massive police deployment, but nobody is doing anything to stop the tractors from moving. After the one line of barricades was broken down, even up ahead, about 100 meters behind us, is a much bigger line of barricading, but that has also been moved aside by the farmers who are moving. You can see in our visuals, hundreds and thousands of people have started moving towards Delhi. This tractor rally has begun in earnest. Slogan shouting is going on. Flags are being carried. The Indian flag is on every tractor. हर ट्रैक्टर पे आप लोग तिरंगा लेके चल रहे हैं। बाबूजी क्या दिखाना चाह रहे हैं, क्या मैसेज देना चाह रहे हैं?
हम भी इसी देश के हैं ना, हम भी इंडिया के ही हैं, इसीलिए हम इसलिए जाना चाहते हैं।
So the rally is moving very quickly here, Shiv. You can see hundreds of tractors are coming out. Several have already moved out, and it does not seem like the restrictions that have been put in by the police on the number of tractors are likely to be followed. However, this is only the tractors which have come out from the main barricade area, from the main border area on the highway itself. There are tractors still waiting on the sides, on the slip roads towards the highway. Those are still barricaded off with cement blocks and trucks. Those are still at the back. They're still waiting for those barricades to be lifted. But here you can very clearly see that the police is standing aside while thousands of tractors and farmers have started entering the city. Back to you.
Hey, Anisha, what does this mean? Does this mean that the security protocols that had been laid down for the farmers have been violated and that they're already entering the city even before 12 p.m.? And where are these tractors headed to now?
Well, Shiv, the route that had been given to them is from Singhu border towards Azadpur, then turn towards Rohini and then Kharkhoda. That is the route that the police has created for them. Here, from what we can see, they've already started moving ahead towards Azadpur. They are going to be following the route that was given. It is only the timing that they have had an objection to. Remember, the last 2 days, the Kisan leaders have been saying continuously that they do not agree with the 12 to 5 timing that they were given. They've already started moving out here pre-8 o'clock. In fact, just before 8 o'clock, this rally had started moving. So the police seems to have decided to let them go out from here, or has been unable to stop them from going, because suddenly there were a lot of people who suddenly came up to the barricades. The tractors came up ahead, and the first line of barricades was broken down, and then they started moving ahead. So what exactly the police is trying to do here is something that we'll have to ask the police authorities how they're going to be tackling this entire thing. But here the enthusiasm is extremely high. The defiance is very clear that with every tractor carrying the Indian flag, they are sending across the message that it is their country, it is their right, and nobody can stop them. Back to you.
The defiance is definitely there on the ground, but you know, there's also a security situation within the city, because in just an hour from now is when the Republic Day parade is going to begin. Are these tractors headed towards central Delhi? Are you getting a sense of where these tractors are headed to? Because if they've already violated the barricading rules right now, Anisha, where could they be headed to next?
Well, Shiv, we're trying to figure out. They are saying हम दिल्ली जा रहे हैं. Let's try to. Police ने तो रूट बनाया है यहाँ से आजादपुर से खरखोटा, उसी पे जा रहे हैं कि कहीं और रूट लेके जा रहे हैं?
देखो जी, जो किसान जथेबंदियों ने रूट बनाया जी, वो रूट पे जा रहे हैं जी सारे। जो किसानों ने बनाया, सरकार के रूट पे हम नहीं जाएंगे, जो किसानों ने रूट बनाया उस रूट पे जाएंगे सारे।
तो किसान नेताओं ने भी तो वही रूट मानने को तैयार?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, जो नेता वाला रूट है वही चलेगा जी, और आगे वही नेता आगे हैं जी, आगे रूट उसी रूट पे लेके जाएंगे जी। हाँ जी।
That is what the answer we are getting here, that they have decided to follow the route that they had agreed upon, which will take them from here till the Azadpur flyover and then towards Rohini and Kharkhoda. The police has also, as I was saying, made detailed, elaborate arrangements. The Azadpur bypass has been blocked off with cement barricading. There are massive lines of cement blockades and barricades everywhere on the route. So it is not going to be easy for the farmers to break those barricades. But from here, where there were only these one single line of metal barricades, they have very easily overcome that line of barricading and moved up ahead. Back to you.
Okay, Anisha, we'll leave it there for the moment. Dramatic images, the barricades broken. The set approvals on the face of it appear to have been violated because the farmers were supposed to cross those barricades and enter Delhi only after 12 p.m. once the Republic Day ceremonies and protocols were completed. But they've been let through. The police has sort of just stood back and allowed them through right now. So they are headed towards Delhi. But as you heard from one of those agitators, the farmer, who said that they will be following the route that has been agreed upon between the Punjab farmers and the police. So we'll have to see how this plays out. It looks like, at least it looks like, the tractor rally has been advanced by a few hours. It's not going to start at 12, as these images by Anisha Mathur, first and exclusive on India Today, suggest. The tractor rally has already begun, perhaps even before the Republic Day celebrations. We'll keep coming back to these pictures. You're seeing them first here on India.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.